Guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we're gonna see how to install and configure Microsoft Authenticator app. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, Microsoft Authenticator app. This app is required when you authenticate to Office 365 and other relevant services. Like there are multiple ways to do enable dual factor, but this app is like really good. And how it's gonna be used, we are gonna see this. So in this Android device, I search for Microsoft Authenticator and I click on tap on install. So after the app is installed, click on open. It's asking me to send notification. I click allow. I click on accept. So you secure your account multi-factor authenticate. You can sign in Microsoft, add work or school account, scan or QR account. So I'm gonna use this option and I'm gonna click on sign in. So I get this page. So I have my personal Office 365 account that I'm gonna use over here. So my account is added and this is the screen. You can now use the following sign in methods from this device. Two step verification, notification approval, or one time password code. So I'm gonna go for the first one, but you can go for second one as well. So thanks for watching this guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.